When getting a new inquiry, it's important that you respond quickly with an email. So we're going to show you how to do that with Iris today. First, I'm going to create an email template and I'm going to name it Family Lead. And in the subject, I'm just going to put thanks for contacting me. Right here in the body of the email, I'm going to say hi, and I'm going to go to our variables and I'm going to select my client's first name. I'm going to say thanks for contacting me for a family session. And then I'm also going to give them the option to book directly from my email. If you have our booking feature, you'll see that our booking URLs are there and they'll create a hyperlink for you. When I am done with this email, I'll simply back out and go into my session types. Now I will go and edit my mini session. Here I will add my lead response email. Once I have done that, I'm going to display that on my leads page form, and then I'll hit save. Now when a client selects mini sessions on my leads page, it will automatically send them an email.